Yeah, hi, my name is Reshma. I'm standing here in the IIT campus. So I got to know about this program with Accredian. So I got enrolled for that 12 months DSNAI program in collaboration with IIT. So we got an opportunity to visit the campus, and actually it was icing on the cake. So in addition to the fantastic learnings that we've had so far, so right now I'm into machine learning intermediate, and we are entering advanced. But visiting this campus, getting to feel the life of a student, because I'm somebody who comes first from a non-coding background, so jumping into coding was fantastic experience. Like obviously a lot of struggle, but then very amazing learning. And plus I'm somebody who's never stayed away from home even for more than couple of nights. So for somebody like me who've never been to any hostel, coming here, staying in that hostel bed, staying amongst those IITians, like future IITians, like you have a taboo and everything, it was fantastic experience. Sharing the food with them, from eating from the same canteen, staying there, living that life of the student in an hostel. So it was amazing experience, and I would really like to thank Accredian for that. So initially I was thinking that I've paid a lot. I mean, it's a little expensive, but then now I think it was worth it. So I would want to really say that if you can, go for it, do go for it. And if you do, do go for this IIT collaboration one. It was fantastic. Thank you.